Hey y'all, it's Molly. Let's get our painting on. We're gonna start with some white, a white base. We'll swirl it around like that. It can be any swirlies you want. Let me just put that back right there. I'm gonna get a little more, just a little more. Go the opposite way than I did, but you don't have to go the opposite way. You can go any way you'd like. Do little 4 dots in the corners. I'll do some baby blue squigglies, little question mark, put that down. This one's a little darker, just a teensy darker, little squigglies there. Perfect, perfect. You can do anything you want, anything you want. This is my favorite blue I love to work with. It's a royal dark blue, really beautiful, very beautiful. I mean, don't waste paint, get all that out right there, all that out. We're gonna start with some black squigglies. They can be big or small or whatever you desire. Now we're going to use some of my my peanut butter gold, my favorite. Okay, let's heat this up a little. Get that activation going with stuff. Just everywhere like that. It's perfect. It's perfect. There we go. There we go. Not just a little more. Just a little more. Maybe not. Okay. I think I'm done with that. So now we're gonna do here we go. There we go. Nice and easy. You don't want to push too hard. Not too hard. If you do it too hard, it doesn't work, and if you do it too light, it doesn't work. So here we go. Nice and easy waves. I love the palette knife. Let's do that. Here we go again. Nice and easy. See the wave motion I'm doing? It's like a wave motion and a snake. A snake in the ocean. A snake in the ocean. Okay, perfect. There we go. Blend a rainbow snake in the ocean. We're doing perfect. Wipe that on the edge right there. Excellent, excellent. Nice and it's looking good. Okay, we're gonna burn a little, activate some chemistry in those cells. There we go. Burning that wave. Burning that rainbow snake wave. Okay, perfect. So now let's here we go. Okay. Okay. Whoa. We'll save those for magnets later. Okay, perfect. Unbelievable. I'm gonna move it down a little more to the left. Well, okay, excellent. I'm not quite done yet. I'm not done at all, actually. This is just the beginning. So it's turning into something nice here. Here we go. Want to let it drip a little more and work it exactly where I need it. There we go. There we go. That snake it's getting bigger. Loch Ness Monster style. Here we go. Perfect, perfect. Excellent. There we go. We'll go to the left. A little to the left. Okay. Okay. Let me put it down real quick. I'm gonna make some I call these little squiggly worms. Little squiggly worms. There we go. I'm gonna do a few more over here. Do one up. You can call them whatever you want. Whatever you want. Perfect. Okay. Oh no. No. Well, I'll do a little white here. I don't really like that right there. I don't like that. Okay. Okay, just a little. Just the little teenskins. Little dots. Little dots. I'm putting them right there. I'll let you know what I'm going to do with that. Just little dots. Your dots can be a little bigger or smaller, or every freckle's a different size. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Do little ones right here. Just little, there you go. Excellent. There we go. Okay. Wow, unbelievable. Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that is. It's amazing. Amazing. Look at the peanut butter gold and the navy blues and the light blues, and just so beautiful. Well, thanks y'all very much, and remember one thing: happy painting. I love y'all. See you next time.